Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a post back onto your Facebook feed that you've previously hidden. So maybe one day you're like, I'm going to hide this thing. I'm not sure if it's ready to be out there in the world yet to 3 billion people on Facebook, so you hid it. And here's how to get it back. So on an Android phone, first you go to Facebook, open up the app, click on your profile image up top. This is for a page, but it works the same if it's on your personal account. So within your profile, you're going to go to the 3 dots on the screen there, and then go to activity log. So this will show where you've hidden that post. And within activity log, you can look at your Facebook activity up there. So click on your Facebook activity. If you hit a post, then you're going to look in the post section. So click on posts, and you'll see an option that says posts hidden from profile. Click on that. And there you can see I've hidden a couple of posts from my profile. One was like I updated my cover photo on this page. So I'll click on the 3 dots there and then click add to page. So I've just added that back to my Facebook page. Also, as a bonus, if you've deleted something, you can pretty much do the same thing to get that back. If you deleted a post and you decided I want that back, and it's been less than 30 days since you've deleted it. So you click on the 3 dots there, and you look on your activity log. You're going to your Facebook activity, posts. So posts hidden from profile. So it might be hidden because you deleted it. So you can click on the trash icon up top, and you can see that I trashed a few things. If I want to get those back, I can click restore to profile right there. So that's how you unhide stuff and restore it to profile on a mobile phone. Now we're going to hop over to desktop, and I'll show you how to do it there. So on desktop, you're going to click on your profile image right up there. You're going to click on settings and privacy, and then you'll see activity log right there. So within activity log, you click on your Facebook activity, and then in here on posts, if it's a post that you've hidden, and then if you scroll down on here, it can say your posts, photos, and videos on there. Or it could say post hidden from profile. That sounds like the right match. So you click post hidden from profile. There it is. You click on the 3 dots, and then you can just click right here, add to page. So if you want to unhide that, you can just add it right back onto the page. That's all it takes. You can take things out of the trash. You can unhide them. Just remember, if you put them out there in the first place, they're reshared, copied, etc., they're out there. But if you want them back on your timeline, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Good luck with your Facebook posts. I hope you achieve your goals on social media. Have a great time doing it. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.